With Clarity CRM's Data Importer, you can batch import large amounts of CRM data quickly and easily. Create new records or update existing ones in a matter of minutes using the power of Clarity CRM and Excel spreadsheets. Import accounts, contacts, activities, new leads, and more, and from multiple sources. From the Tools menu, select Import. Choose the module you'll be importing to. Select your file and the applicable options for your import. Be sure all necessary Excel spreadsheet columns are properly mapped to the corresponding Clarity CRM fields. Click Import File, and you're done. The status column displays the progress of your import, and in just a few minutes, complete. Your records have been imported. Once the import is complete, a Data Import Summary report will be emailed detailing the results of the import. Use the report to identify and correct any import issues. Prevent record duplication, decrease data entry time, reduce human error, and optimize your CRM data integration process with Clarity CRM's Data Importer.